Hello, in this video I will try to explain two questions that I write, which is one already written, other one I will try to solve with the video. So let's get it started. Let's take my pen. First question is finding that correctly transform an NFA, oh my hand is shaking, NFA to DFN, which is given by m equals to this 5 terms, which I will explain. This is which is the correct word, formal expression, which I will explain term by term. First term is ABC, which is our states. AB is the input uh, that correspond to our transition. That delta symbol is our transformation table. A is our first state and C is the final state. So let's start with drawing our NFA, which we have A, B and C. Let's draw it like this. Sorry if my hand is a little shaking. A, let's draw this C. C is the final state, so let's draw it double. And there's a B. Right. Let's see how A goes to B. A goes to B with an A. Write it like that. A. Okay. Oh, little a. Sorry. And stays with A. And goes to C with B. Okay. A state I think is completed for now. Let's take the C. C goes to A with B. Okay, let's draw it like this. B. And goes to B with little b. Oops, sorry. Okay. I think it's C completed too because it will not go anywhere with little a. So let's take B. B goes to A with A, little a. Oh. Okay. And stays with B with the little b. Okay. This is our first NFA, which in the question we will transform it to a DFA. So let's first draw our transition table. Oops, like this. Our inputs are little a, little b. We have in this part A, of course. A can go to A and B with a little e, but in DFN we can't write it like this. Instead, we read like this. A, B is like a different state, and C like the other table. In this table, but we have a different state, new state, an AB. Let's write AB. AB goes to with A goes to AB again, and B with, we will show it in this part, go to BC, a new state again. So we did the same thing with this. We write a BC, and BC will go to A with little a. And I will constantly look here. I can show it very fastly because my hand is shaking and my camera is not very good. And BC with B goes to AB. We take AB, BC, A, and this we need to write C. Okay, let's see. C was not going something with A in this first table, but this is a DFN, so it needs to go somewhere. We need to create a different state. B, but in the B he goes somewhere, so we need to write AB. We completed C2, but we create another state, D. Let's take D here. D will be our final state, but it will go to nothing, sorry, itself. So let's put D and D. Okay, so let's draw our graph. We have, oops, hope shaking too much. Okay, good again. We have A, B, C, B, C, and D, and A. So we need 5 states. Let's C, A. Let's write D in here, which is far from them. AB, which is another new state, and BC. So let's start with A. A goes to AB with A. We'll look to this table. Let's see that, and goes to C with B. Simple as that. Let's look to AB, which is here. AB goes to AB with A. It goes itself. Let's write it like this. And AB goes to BC with B. It looks nice that way. B. Okay. Now let's see the BC, which is another new state, goes to A with A. I'll show it like that. And goes to, oops, this is AB, no, this is B, and this is A, I'm sorry. With A, it's go to A, and with B, it goes to AB. Okay, now it's correct. Now we have C, which is our final state in NFA, but not here. Goes to D with A. Oops, shaking again. And goes to AB with B. Oop. Okay. Now, this is our new state D. D will not go anywhere. Whatever the input is, it will only go to itself. B. So, what is our final inputs here? First, C will stay as a final. Let's draw it double. And BC, which will another final state. I hope I can draw correctly. Okay. I think that's the final of first question. We'll draw a DFN from an NFA. Okay. So I will take my second question, which I already written. There is a regular expression which is given here, and we will draw from it to an NFA. First expression is really easy, I think. E and B. There's an empty state, which is our first state. Goes with A to another state, and with E, which I forget. I will call this E. With the E goes to a new state, which means empty. I can call it empty, I think. In this part, it can go B. With B, there's a new state. Then there's a new state which I research for this video, an OR state. It's like with what we see in the class with union symbol, but in the end we will combine it with the final circle. Oh. With the U symbol in class we will not combine them, but in the OR symbol we will combine them, and there will be a star symbol on top of it, which means it can turn back with the empty command, empty input from finish to start. Oops, I'm answering so much. This place to that, and this place to that. This is basically an OR symbol. What do? I hope I can explain it well. I don't think so, but. And then there is a little A symbol E after that, after our